We are going to study about connectives and conjunctions. So regarding this, under connectives and conjunctions, today we will be discussing on the use of and the use of but. Likewise, we will be discussing on the use of because and use of because of. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about where to use and. You can see here, you can look. If two sentences are about similar statements, if two sentences are about similar statements, then we use and. For examples, you can see here. Let's have a look at these examples. My father loves me. This is the one sentence. And another sentence is my mother loves me. So if you look at these two sentences, then there are some sort of similarities between the first sentence and the second sentence. So when we combine or when we connect or when we bridge these two sentences, then we can join like this: my father and mother love me. So we can join the two sentences by using and. Now let's talk about the use of but. When to use but? If the sentences are of different statements, then we can use but. For examples, you can see here, I eat meat. This is one sentence. And another sentence is, my friend does not eat meat. So if you look at these two sentences, then what can we find? That there are different statements. The first statement is, I eat meat. And the second statement is, my friend does not eat meat. It is completely different. There is contrast between the two sentences. So in the situation of different statements, if the two sentences give the different ideas, contrasting ideas, then at that situation, or let's say at that circumstances, we can use but. For example, I eat meat, but my friend does not. Okay, now let's talk about use of because. So for using because, you can use or you can see this pattern or this blueprint or these structures, we can say. So the using because is fitted in these structures. A statement, first of all, a statement, and after a statement there is because, and after because there is the reason. For example, we cancel the match. This is the one sentence, and it rained heavily. So when we bridge these two sentences, then we can find that we cancel the match because it rained heavily. So we cancel the match is the statement, and because is the bridging word which is connecting these two sentences, and it ran heavily. This is the reason. So what we can say that we cancel the match is the statement, because is the conjunction, and it ran heavily is the reason. Okay, now let's talk about use of because of. When you join the statement and reason, when we join the statement and reason using because of, then what we have to do is, we have to do the reason should be changed into a noun phrase. When we use because of, when we join the two statements or two sentences into one, then what we have to do is the region should be changed into a noun phrase. As for example, we cancel the math because of the heavy rain. So in this sentence, what we can find is we cancel the math is the statement because it is the connectives or let's say conjunctions, and the heavy rain is the reason, that is the noun phrase. While connecting two sentences by using because of, then what we have to do is the reason should be changed into noun phrase. For example, you can see the examples of the noun phrase. He was sick. Then we can make it the noun phrase. We can change this phrase into noun phrase like this. He was sick. His sickness. He had poor eyesight. And the noun phrase of this phrase will be his poor eyesight. Similarly, when we change this phrase into noun phrase, then it becomes he was very tall. Then it becomes his height. She was very small, and it becomes her height. She was beautiful, and it becomes her beauty. So we can change the reason into noun phrase in this way. There are variety of examples of how to change the phrases into the noun phrase. So this was for today. Thank you very much.